What's up YouTube? Clip from the Sunday Drive. Today we're going to show you how to remove the bed rails for my 2014 Silverado. What's up guys? Clip from the Sunday Drive. Just doing a quick video on the cell phone, so apologize for audio and video quality. But I'm again taking the truck apart. We're going to do a whole new wrap on this truck, and we're actually going to be doing something really cool to the frame. So definitely stay tuned for that. But wanted to show you guys a quick how-to to remove these bed rail covers. Now these were previously removed the first time I wrapped the truck. Some of the clips broke. It's pretty much impossible not to break some of the clips, but I'm going to show you what the clips look like, their location, and what you're going to want to do. So right here you can see that one of the bed rails is already removed, and basically you have rectangular clips that go into this area, and there's a clip on either side that you needed to press. There's no good way to access these inside ones. You can get to most of the outer ones here and release those. But again, it's going to be pretty hard to get to these inside ones here. You can see there's actually 3 right there. So that's the location of all the clips. There are a ton of them, so if a few break, not a big deal. You could also put some 3M tape in there. But what you're going to want to go do is from the underside, right here. If you have a plastic bed liner like I do, remove that. It is going to give you more access to a couple of them. But go from the other side and squeeze on both sides. So over here you can see all these little clips. And as you can see, they have a tab on each side, so one there and one there, and you're going to want to depress these together like so. And as you can see, a lot of these inside ones got mangled. Now again, this is the second time removing this, but a lot of them are still intact. There are plenty intact to keep holding this in place. All right, so with the taillight removed, I do have access to this back one right here. All right, so again, they're pretty easy to squeeze on both sides. Some of them you'll have restricted access to, so using a flathead screwdriver, pushing in and pulling up at the same time. And then I just got a variety of different pry tools. I'm just going to stick them up in there as I go along to prevent the clips from re-engaging. Alright, looks like that one's already loose. Probably one of the broken ones from the first time. Alright, now the rest that I'm going to get to are all going to be from the inside, so I'm going to have a headlamp on and just lay down in the bed. And work our way forward. So again, there's one right about here, but that one's already released. So going along, looks like the next one's right here. Well, it's like a 90 degree like this. Gets up in there nicely. So that's all the ones that you can easily access to. Again, some of the others you can get all the way from underneath the bed, but it's going to be very difficult to get all the way up here to release those, maybe if you have some really long pliers. But with those ones that I have released, we're just going to go ahead and start working our way back and popping the rest out. Definitely up in there, so force. And you want to get up as close to where the clip is as possible. If you're prying back here, you have a chance of snapping your rail. So try to apply the force exactly where the clip is as much as possible. It'll take a little bit of force to get these out. All right, and there you go. So if you were broken, again, some of these were broken from the first time, but we're still plenty even after that first time to hold this down. And if you want to, for a little bit of added security, you could put some 3M tape in here as well. But there you go. So there you go, guys. That is how you remove the bed rails on this 2014 Silverado. Applies to most Sierras and Silverados from this generation, and probably a lot of the other ones as well. If you want to watch any more Silverado content, we have a ton up on the channel, so be sure to check that out. We'll be wrapping this truck, and surprise, we're going to be galvanizing the frame, so that's going to be fun. So if you want to see how to lift the cab and completely strip a truck down, make sure to be watching the videos that are coming out soon. See you guys in the next video.